Good morning, children. Get ready with your EVS books. Here we start with our next chapter, chapter number 15, From Market to Home. So I hope you all are having textbook in your hand. Fine. Open page number 114. So let's start. Now, previously we have got to know about the thing. This girl Vaishali, she is telling the story that she's having two brothers, mother, father, and this girl in the family. They usually woke up every day 3 o'clock in the morning. Yes, because her father is a vegetable vendor. So a vegetable vendors moves in the market, goes to the market before 7 o'clock. At least 7 o'clock when we step out. Yes, when we go for walking, we find some vegetable vendors are there. They are selling the vegetables. Okay. So their day starts from 3 a.m. in the morning. Fine. Because they have to do a lot of work before coming into the market to sell the vegetables. They have to do a lot of things. They have to buy the vegetables. They have to sort it out, whether they are fresh ones. If they are not fresh, they have to keep it aside. If they are not ripened properly, then also they keep it aside. If they are fully fresh, then they keep it aside. Like this, all the activities they have to do. They have to segregate all the vegetables before 7 o'clock, before the sun rise. And as soon as the sun rise, the vegetable vendors, they get ready. They put all the things on the lorry and they come in the market for sale. Okay, so this was the thing we have learned. Okay, let's move further. Page number 115. Okay, here preparing for the day. Preparing for the day means what? Doing all the making all things ready for the day to go. Okay, Mother Chotu and I put the previous day vegetables in a gunny bag and sprinkle some water on them. Okay, now have you seen any vegetable vendor? They are sprinkling waters on the vegetables. Yes, we have seen. Now why do they do like this? Just when we add some water to vegetables, a kind of freshness comes in them. Okay, they doesn't get dry, they doesn't get overripe. So that's why they used to add some water so that they retain the things whatever they have. Okay, sprinkle some water on them. And gunny bags I have said. Fine. What are the gunny bags? I have told you. Gunny bag means that brown color bag. Okay, so, brown color bag which is made of jute. Fine. In Hindi we call bora. So they are usually called gunny bags because they are eco-friendly. They are environment friendly. Okay. When we put the vegetables in a plastic, they get rotten very fast. Rotten means sad jana. Yes. And when we put them in the gunny bag, they get some kind of oxygen through the gunny bag, and they doesn't get stale. Yes, quickly. So that's why all things are kept in a gunny bag, as they are environment friendly. So let's move further. Okay. Sprinkle some water on them by 6:30 a.m. Father is back from Monday. Okay, now 6:30 a.m. Father is back from the Mandi. Mandi is a huge market, yes, where they buy at a bulk, where the vegetable vendors buy the vegetables at a bulk. Bulk means what? 10 kg, 20 kg, like this they used to buy the things with baskets and sack full of fresh vegetables. Okay, there were a lot of baskets, there were a lot of sack full of fresh vegetable. At that time, our house looks more than like a small vegetable market. Okay, all things were around. Yes, all kind of vegetables. So she's telling it seems like our house has become a small market. Now, what are the things that the father brought? Brinjal, potato, tomato, okra means bindi. Okay, lady finger, pumpkin. All these things you are familiar with these words. God means bottle gourd. Yes, dudi and all. Okay, bitter gourd, karela. All these are called gourd. Okay. Then chili and many other vegetables all around, and different kinds of all the vegetables were there. Everybody helps in sorting out the vegetables. Okay, sorting means what? Sorting means to disaggregate. Okay, imagine if there is a basket in which all kinds of fruits are there, apples, mango, Then let us take strawberry, cherry. All these things are mixed up. Yes. So what you will do? You will take separate baskets, and in one basket you will put only apples. Yes, you will take all the apples from there. In one basket you will put all the cherries. You just take out all the cherries, so that it becomes very easy to sell the things. If they are mixed up, we doesn't know what are the things inside. Okay. So like this, they used to sort out the vegetables. Now the sorting was which are not fully ripe and not ready to sell. Now the father has brought let us take for example, the father has brought tomatoes. Fine, but in tomatoes, all the tomatoes are not of same quality. Means some tomatoes are there which are overripe. Okay, so it is very necessary to remove that overripe, because once the vegetable becomes overripe, it starts decaying. Yes, and when it starts decaying, the other one also starts decaying. That it's just like the quote. The what was the quote? The bad ones spoil good ones. Okay, the bad ones spoils good ones. So if we are not going to remove the bad ones, then definitely the good one will also get spoiled. Fine. So leave that quote. Concentrate over here. So like this. Then overripen the fruit, the vegetable which has become overripened, they sort it out. The vegetables which are raw, okay, raw tomatoes, have you seen green color raw tomatoes? Yes, they keep that aside. Then fresh tomatoes, they keep aside. So like this, they used to sort out every kind of tomatoes. Fine. When we go to Mandi, now we get when we buy 10 kg, when we buy the things in quantity, they doesn't allow us to disaggregate the things and come on, you just take it out, the ripened ones, take it out unripened. No, they mix up and they give us. It's our duty to sort it out. So this was done by all the family members. I hope you got to know about what are sorting the vegetables. Fine. Okay, now we have to sort out vegetable fast so as to reach the market as early as possible. This sorting work they have to do as quickly, because by the sunrise, by the time the father need to leave the house. Okay, but suppose if the father will get late, what happened? The customers, yes, the buyers, whoever are coming to buy vegetables from this father, what they do? They will say कि आज तो वो आया ही नहीं है. Yes, he has not came. So what we'll do? We will buy the vegetables from the another one, because there are a lot of vendors in the market, not only one vendors. Fine. So the audience, they will get shifted. The buyers will get shifted, and this father will not be able to earn the money. This is how the every seller does. Yes, your father also, if he doesn't go to shop, if he doesn't go, if he is doing a business, okay, if he is selling something, if he doesn't go one day, what happens? The customers or the audience, yes, they will get shift to another one, because they will see that this shop is closed. Fine, so let's move to another shop and buy our things. Fine, and then like this the things happen, and one day sale is not completed. So that's why it is very important for the sellers, there is a vegetable vendor, just to do all the things quickly. And as soon as the sun rises, by 6:30 or by 7 o'clock, they just reach with all the vegetables in the market. Okay, by 7 o'clock, father arrange all the vegetables on the hand cart. Hand cart means lorry, and leave for the market. He says that if he is late, then his regular buyers buy the vegetables from someone else. Yes. As soon as the father leaves, I quickly get ready and I have to reach school by 7:30. Now this girl, what kind of work she is doing? See, you need to learn something from her. She is getting up early in the morning. She is helping father. Fine, she is helping mother also. And then after helping, she is going to school also. See what kind of work these people are doing. So we should learn from these things, from such stories. We should get inspired from such stories. So you also gonna help your father, you also gonna have to help your mother, or whoever is there in your family, grandparents, uncle, aunt, whoever are there staying with you. Help the elders. Fine, this will make you a responsible person. Doing the work makes us a responsible person. That's it for today.